So first, in 1.4 rational expressions, a couple of things that you want to do. Number one, we're going to find the domain of the following functions. Domain is very important in rational functions. As you can see in the first one, it's simply negative infinity to infinity because any polynomial function doesn't have any holes, jumps, asymptotes, things like that. So it exists everywhere. There's every number you can plug in with no problems. If you look at the second one, we have a denominator. Denominators are bad in the sense that they create asymptotes and holes. Well, factors that cancel out create holes. In this case, we don't have any holes, but we do have an asymptote when the bottom's equal to 0. So 2 and 3 are 2 points that we have asymptotes. Therefore, basically all reals except for 2 and 3. A couple of ways to write it is interval notation there, or simply all reals except for positive 2 and positive 3. And lastly, same thing, bottom can't be 0, so that's why 5 doesn't work. But also we can't have negatives inside of the roots. We're going to get to logs and exponentials a little bit later on, and we have domain issues in those as well as a couple of trig things coming up in the second semester. But for now, that's what we're looking at. So we got to have positive values here for the top, and we can't have 5 for the bottom. So it's everything that's positive that's not 5, and this is the ideal way to write that. And then lastly, I want to do one more problem. And that's basically to perform the indicated division and simplify. Well, we've got x to the fourth, x minus 4, and then we've got on the bottom x plus 2, x minus 2. Well, when we're dividing, we're simply multiplying by the reciprocal. So I'm going to factor the bottom, which goes up top here, as x plus 2 and x plus 3. And then on the other one, we get x minus 4 and x plus 1, it looks like. Well, in that case, the 4's cancel, the 2's cancel, and then we're simply left with x plus 3 over x minus 2 and x plus 1. That's it. We got a couple more things, but they're posted in the notes.